Hey guys, this is Jay. Straight to the point. Presets download link in the description. Download the file, extract the file. Let's see how the preset works. Now open your image inside Photoshop like so. Next step, create a duplicate copy of your image by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. There you go. Now go to filter. Select camera raw filter. Here, click these three dots, select load settings. Now navigate to the presets folder. You can select any presets you want. For this image, I'm going to select this one. Click open. There you go. Our preset is applied. Just in case if you want to make minor changes means play with the settings here. Once you are happy with the output, click OK. There you go. Our preset is applied. Let's see the before and after. This one is the original image and this one is the final output. Looks stunning, isn't it? So this is how the preset works. Fine, let's see another example. I'm going to apply the preset to this image. As usual, create a duplicate copy of your image using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. There you go. Now go to filter, select camera raw filter, click these three dots, select load settings. You can go with any presets. Now click open. There you go. We created a stunning cinematic tone using presets. Once you are happy with the output, click OK. There you go. Our preset is applied. Let's see the before and after. This one is the actual image and this is the final output. So this is how the preset works. And here's a small sneak peek about all the presets in the bundle. By the way, if you want to learn how to design wedding album, wedding invitation and other wedding related design means, please do check out my videos. I already posted many album tutorials and wedding related design tutorials. If you want more presets and wedding related design elements means, please do subscribe to my channel and do check out channel membership program for more benefits. Thanks for watching. Take care.